Hi guys, here Dev-initly Mario. Please, if you want, like this video and subscribe my channel. First things first, let us create our new project. Start your Unreal Engine, go on New Project, take first person controller and name your project. After that, click on the Create button. Now you have to wait. I will skip this for you so you don't have to wait. After waiting, you will be in the main screen of Unreal Engine. I have opened the content browser. You can open it at the left bottom corner, click on it, and after that I have docked it into the layout. If you want to have the exact same view like me. So, the first thing we want to do is to create here a new folder. We name it horror game, or you can name it however you want, but I suggest to name it like your project. In this horror game folder, we have to need to create a folder structure for all further files we want to have. In this tutorial series, we want to have an AI. So we make an AI folder. We want to have blueprints. So we make a blueprint folder. Further, we want to have a player character. We make a player folder. Oh, I misspelled, sorry for that. Yeah. Misspell again. No, we want to have items. So we need an item folder. We also want to have an evidence folder for our evidence. And for sure, we want to have more than one ghost. So we have ghost folder. Need we more? Yeah, let us make a data folder for our structs and our enums. What we want more? Evidence, ghost, items, player. For this moment, we will let it with this. We go with this folders. We will edit more of them in the future. So now we have at the first person folder in Blueprint these 4 files. We will duplicate them. Duplicate. And we want to cut them out. Will not cut, we move them. We go to the horror game. We take the files and put them into this folder. Nearly on the same place like here. And then go here to Blueprint. So we have them on the same place. So we have to rename them. We take the first out. Here too, just what first goes out. I will explain why in a short. Here we do the same. And here too. We open the game mode at first. So here we have to change 2 important things. The first thing is player controller class. You see, here is the old PlayerController class we don't want to use. We go to BP PlayerController, ist das richtig? First player. Oh, we not rename him, so I not can find him. But I actually remember I not explain why we do it. So let me short explain it. This folder, first person, can be override on mistake. You could go on edit, add feature or content, and import it again. If you do that, you overwrite it, and all our change to the character will be overwrite accidentally. So to prevent any kind of this behavior, we do our own files. Our base is a duplicate from the working files first version. So now I have to rename it successfully. Let us do it first. Person camera controller, person. Perfect. We go back to the game mode. We go to the player controller. And we get to the default pawn class. And here too, we want only the person. We compile it, save it, close it. So, a short moment. So now we want to, okay, before I show you, if we press on play, we see on the right, he takes the first person camera controller, first person character, and so on. That's not the behavior we want. We want them to take our new files. So to manage this, we have to go on Window and World Settings, and they will appear on the right button side. And here we can take the game mode override we want. We want the person game mode. Save it, we start the map again. And now you will see he has the person character, the person game mode, the person controller. The only thing he not do right is he has a first person camera manager. This kind is wrong. So we have to adjust that too. So now we have to open the BP player controller. And here on the right side, you can see player camera manager. And here we take the person camera manager. We compile and save. If we press play now again, you will see we have only our new things. So what we want to do in the next video. In the next video, we want to add our flashlight and adjust some more things on the player self. Run speed, walk speed, crouch speed, and we will implement crouching for that. Yeah, I hope you liked this part. See you in the next part. Sorry, my bad.